Folks, Santa is here. Santa, how you doing? Oh, how is the North Pole?
Very hot.
It's hot. Yeah, Santa there. Folks. Ah,
I was sending a request.
folks, Santa is here and this young man wants a shoes.
Yeah, I'm sending a
Oh God, guys, we're here making another delivery. Oh Lord. It is the season and Santa is making the delivery for us today. Hello. How you doing? Yeah, as you can see, Santa is here to make your delivery. Santa, please say ho ho ho. Hey, you see Santa, baby girl? Watch how I run. See Santa here. So the lady that's getting the Christmas present from Santa, how you found out about the company?
Well, I went out one night with my family
Yeah?
and I saw this young man.
Which one?
Yeah.
When I'm turning a video for myself.
And signed me up.
Yeah? Are you enjoying the service since?
I am.
How you like the prices? Yeah?
And I
Nice.
get my delivery.
You get a delivery, you don't have to go join the line, eh?
Yes.
So you tell other people at home. Alright.
And get with it.
Alright. Thank you so much.
The better it is.
Alright.
Yes.
And get the delivery from Santa.
Yes.
Santa, go beside her and take a picture of you and her. And the free. Talk about that. Yeah, no people don't know so they get free coupon, don't? Alright, nice. I'm gonna take a picture of you and Santa. Santa, next time you bring a reindeer, alright? Alright, thank you, yeah? Alright, cool.
Yeah.